I'm Mike at Top Dog SF, and I'm here with Simba the Mini Goldendoodle. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to desensitize a puppy to grooming equipment such as a brush, scissors, hair trimmer, and a nail grinder. So to start, I just want to reward little Simba here for even showing any interest in the instruments that we have out here. And I just want Simba to associate these new items to the production of rewards. I'm just going to put the hairbrush out on the floor. I'm going to drop a little treat. I'm going to let Simba figure out. Oh, looks like he wants to chew it. Okay, he found the treat. Drop another one. Drop another one. And now I'm going to pick the brush up. I'm going to move it over here. And I want Simba to make the decision to go towards the brush and get rewarded for it. Now I'm going to hold the brush in my hand and I have a little piece of treat in my fingers, and I want Simba to eat the treat out of my hand while I have the brush in my hand. And now I'm just going to put the brush near Simba's head. Yes! Feed him. Yes! Yes. In this first desensitization session, I'm not going to touch the brush to Simba, and I'm not going to touch any of the other equipment to Simba either. This is just simply to desensitize him to new stimuli that may later stress him out when he goes for grooming. So I have the scissors in my left hand, I have some high value treats in my right hand, and what I'm going to do is snip the scissors and then feed Simba right afterwards. And now I have a hair trimmer, and I'm going to first just put it on the floor, let Simba eat a couple little treats around it. I'm going to move it over here. I want Simba to make the choice to go to this thing before we ever use it to trim his hair. All right, so now I'm gonna hold the trimmer in my hand and I'm gonna get Simba to just eat a treat out of my hand with the trimmer in it. And now I'm just going to simply turn the trimmer on and off and feed over and over again. Now I'm going to do the same thing with a nail grinder. So this was step one. Simba here is about 10 weeks old, and we want to start doing these exercises with a puppy right about 10 weeks, as early as we possibly can. We don't recommend doing this exercise with puppies before 10 weeks old because the first couple weeks that you have your puppy in your home, you just want to build a relationship with it, play with it, have fun, get to know your puppy, get your puppy to trust you, and build your bond with your puppy. And then once you've done that, you can start doing these basic desensitization exercises with grooming equipment. Once your puppy is at least 10 weeks old, we suggest doing this exercise with your puppy for at least 1 to 2 minutes, 1 time a day, for 7 days straight. Once we have thoroughly desensitized our puppy to the sight and sound of this new equipment, then we want to start desensitizing them to touching the equipment to their body. By taking our time and ensuring that our puppy has a good experience around grooming equipment from very early on, we set them up for success because we create a positive association to the sight and sound of the grooming equipment before it could ever possibly stress them out or make them feel any kind of fear. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. For more information about Top Dog SF, please visit our website, topdogsf.com.